think I worry a lot about the driving. Like, do you know what it is? I constantly think that something bad's going to happen with it.
Ah, well, managing risk, and
Yeah.
it will be managed, won't it?
Mm.
Yeah. Okay.
Is that allowed, by the way? To
Double
park?
park? No, you shouldn't do. How much space is the van going to have? Can
Not
you
a lot.
help?
Yeah.
How can you help?
Stop them.
Oh, well done. Leave them enough space. That side?
Yeah.
And I'd still wait.
Yeah.
Put it
For
first.
this one.
Good. Now I'd start to creep because our lights are on green. Start to creep because that will show people. Start to creep. Start to creep. You're steering left. There you go. See what it told the black one?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah?
Okay.
Thank you. Quick second and follow the road round to the left. Maybe not. So do you get how that little creep actually...
Forces people to like...
I wouldn't say force. I sort of get you.
Yeah. Just shows them what your intention.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Exactly. Because the rules were the obstruction's on their side. So whose priority is it?
Ours.
Ours. So show them that you would like to take that priority.
And take it.
And then wait for them to give way to you. And then you continue.
So don't be too like... What's the word for it? Is that what it is like when people try and own the road where they take too much priority?
Yes, and then other people are too timid. I think that's the word maybe you were looking for, or something similar. Yeah. Whereas they don't control and charge, be in charge of situations, which is what I was trying to get you to do. Yeah? They were the rules. You keep sitting still though.
The BMW would have.
It would have just realised and just carried on. It would have thought you were giving way.
Yeah.
Really good job. It was excellent there.
So this is classed as straight, isn't it?
It just bends round to the left, so that's all we're doing.
No signal.
No.